Setting up the Baltimore Convention Center as a field hospital was a huge endeavor. In a matter of only 10 days, the Baltimore Convention Center went from being an empty hall to a fully operational field hospital occupying 185,000 square feet with 250 beds, sinks and showers, backup generators, a commissary, and a pharmacy. We listened to the doctors and medical consultants as they expressed their need. Governor Hogan dispatched the Maryland National Guard, and with the help of our contractors, put in the elbow grease to make this all happen. Our contractors installed the wiring, the plumbing. They constructed entirely new walls and created clean spaces to address both privacy and safety concerns for the patients and staff. The contractors told me they had never worked on a project of this size and scope and gotten it done so quickly. The turnaround time was unprecedented, but you know what? These are unprecedented times. Unprecedented times call for unprecedented measures. And the consensus is we exceeded expectations with this facility. Governor Hogan takes the health of Maryland citizens very seriously, and so do I. We at General Services are doing everything we can to minimize the coronavirus threat, and this field hospital is a big step in the process of achieving that goal.